Inabot isa-isa o mention, no? Labaw na itong mga partners kalikan sa Renay ahensya. But hindi na ito kalimutan, no? Ako i-mention ito bisita na somewhat pingin pa rin na tutulog. No? Kaya siyempre mo stand out na siya. No other than the ambassador from Austria to the Philippines. Si Ambassador Johan Kriegel. Is that correct? And his lovely wife, Madam Roshmita Kriegel. Thank you very much for coming. We are visiting our very dynamic and I should say very majestic city. That's what we have said.
Austria was part of Germany before.
Mga partners siya po nato kita sa PTV, PTV 5, correct? 4. Sila direct, CJ Andalus, at si Erwin Aton, Frank Rivera, Ram Almasan, Saldi Dayal, JJ Umali, Leo Santos, Irving Fusana, Ormel Cruz, Cynthia Omel Cruz, Cynthia Malabunga, and then Marcelia Liron. So thank you very much for coming, and also to our partners from MSU IT, Wayline at Amigos, Mark Torres, sir. Gayon si Yashani Baduas. Where's Yashani? You're very young, Vice Chancellor. Admin and Finance, and then si Mark sa Strategic Initiatives. Congratulations. That's why we need young people to rise up. Mas dynamic sa mga pataton. Anyway, I should say, I was telling the ambassador today, just a while ago, that today is so special because the city of Iligan is celebrating a lot of achievements, I should say. Look at what we have achieved just in the past week. From our partners, from DepEd, we have our superintendent, Sir Jonathan De La Peña, our partners na magikan ka po sa DepEd, morning ingon ako. Dagan mga tao, mag-isod ko, isa-isaw ka rin, pablangko ko. No, we have our very good partner from the police, city director, De Los Santos, Reynante De Los Santos. We have General Anton Abrina. Wala kayo na kung ma-mention ang ato Vice Mayor Dodo Malimanya, and the councilors. And ang ato mga partner dito sa PPA, si Art Mogas, as well as Ronel Santos, bago lang sila na-transfer din si Iligan. And then, for the rest, they were given awards at kids who perform in who excelled in sports. There are kids who also excelled in science or writing, di ba? And also, let us not forget the help that the awards that was given to our partners because sa ICDRRMO, and what else? Well, syempre, the achievement coming from the UH. Napaka na ito si Glenn, napaat. May balukuro naman is that achievement ang atong Department of Health, City Health Office. Nagkakaroon tayo, di na nato si Sayon, may nakakabilisahan ni but actually the list is so long, that's why I think if I mention everything, we'll end up at 10:30. So actually, we're fast tracking the program this morning for the reason that when it reaches 9:30 in the morning, so that we actually pass the allowance that should be given for our ceremony every Monday. But nevertheless, we're very happy with your presence today, Mr. Ambassador, and the reason is you can witness personally what's happening here in Liga. Just like what the director said, we are part of JT Liga City it's a third world city, but with first world amenities and wonders. Yun ang sabi niya sa akin. So I'm actually excited. That's why that was the first time I really performed ang gitawag na ito, Iligan March. Pabantay ba mo? Kanya naging kulitaro ko sa'yo. Eh, sukat-sukat, pero hindi ko kayo ko sa'yo. Pero ganyan, gawas eh. Natural lang ni gawas ko magkibalok eh. Isa ka tumutoy-toyo, kagani akong itarong kaya ano, kasi magawas na sa PTV4. Nanda dito. Anyway, again, congratulations everyone. No? Ang ating partners na ito, ang mga government department heads, mga offices, ang ating mga empleyado, congratulations. Hindi na ako may-mention ang mga national agencies na natin karoon, but I would like to thank everyone that participated in, I should say, we're trying to bring back Iligan to the national limelight. We wanted Iligan to be recognized. Kasi we cannot be recognized as someone near Lanao Sur, wherein the perception is always negative, but we need to push and promote Iligan as Iligan itself. Far from what's happening, that is the perception that people coming from abroad, the travel restrictions that's being implemented. If you come to Iligan by yourself without any, actually even without any escorts or any, I should say, bodyguards with you, Iligan is so safe. Iligan is so safe. That's the perception. When I was studying in Manila before, that was, I should say, 30 years ago. When they learned that I'm from Iligan, usually they said, oh, there's somewhat a respect coming from them. And usually people from our place, we always tell them, since Iligan and Mindanao before was so a little bit not popular in terms of peace and order, we always take that opportunity to somewhat instill fear to our classmates. That's why when they said, you're from Iligan, I said, oh, years for stocks. So, ang puting itlog, mahandlok na sila. Pag iyong mukha o dalunggan, i-barbecue pa, iyawan sila. So, nag-respeto kanunay ba sa mga gigan, sa mga taga-Luzon, mga classmates. But actually, that's for fun only, no? It's somewhat of a joke, but slightly, medyo makahatag ng respeto sa ato ang ikan sa probinsya na ito Pilipinas Eskwela. But again, thank you very much. Nasun ako mensahe. Can we, everyone give a round of applause for visitors from Austria. Atong mayong pagtimbaya sa itong mga bisita. That's the reason why I keep telling Darwin and the rest that we should always promote Iligan. No matter what, if some visitors come, we should show them around. No, para makita nila kung saan nasa Iligan, kung sa diferensya nato sa laing lugar. No? Actually, if you makita nila kung sila as kaigan, nagkakainin tourist destination and the friendliness of Filipinos. So, the culture, the kultura, because of the Sunang Maranao, the Lumans, and the Christians combined together to showcase the beauty and the beauty of Liga City. So, again, thank you very much sa inyong participation. Tulad po karon September 29, no? Magawa sa inyong naong sa video sa PTV4. Salamat, Mengutan, Asenso.
At kababayan, ito po ang likang yaman ng Iligan City.